The Bible and its scriptures are powerful. And the God of the Bible has not changed. The God of heaven, the God who provided an ark for Noah, who opened the Red Sea for Moses, who raised Jesus from the dead, is still just as powerful today. Coming to the Museum of the Bible in Washington, D.C., Abraham Productions presents Restoring the Foundations concert event, featuring incredible music by Trumpet Quartet, Karen Peck and New River, The Inspirations, The Hoppers, Joseph Habedank, Brian Free and Assurance, The Wisnets, True Song, Justin Cole, and others. Plus, powerful preaching by Dr. Robert Jeffress, Dr. Ralph Sexton Jr., Pastor C.T. Townsend, Pastor Tyler Golden, Dr. Neil Jackson, and others. This historic event happens October the 10th through the 12th at the Museum of the Bible in the World Stage Theater in our nation's capital, Washington, D.C. Will you join us for this historic event with great gospel music, preaching, prayer, plus access to tour the 6-story Museum of the Bible and see sites in the nation's capital? For all the details on the Restoring the Foundations concert, go to abrahamproductions.net.